Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thursday. I'm feeling pretty good. Today is the big day for me and hopefully for you. It's Prime Rib Day. Not just Prime Rib, but it's the Prime Rib Video Day. Today is the day I film the prep and preparation of Prime Rib. So after I get everything done with the video, my morning message to you, I will be turning my kitchen into a film studio. I've done it before, but today's a little bit more extensive. I worked on my notes most of the day yesterday. So obviously today I'm having prime rib. But last night I prepared Mongolian ground beef noodles. Ground beef, a wonderful sauce I was able to put together pretty easily. I added some mushrooms and some onion to the original recipe. It ended up being a good meal. Robin and I both enjoyed it. I was under a little bit of a timeline with Robin's schedule because she had a couple of meetings and I had to fit dinner, in about a 30-minute window. So let me show you what I got going on over here. Because not only am I doing the prime rib, but I'm doing honey balsamic roasted carrots and what I think are one of my favorite things to do is the baby red roasted potatoes with garlic and olive oil, and it's an easy thing to do, but they're very tasty. So we have kosher salt, ground black pepper, red onion, olive oil, lots of garlic today, balsamic vinegar, and honey, whole thyme, and rosemary. This is just a mishmash of everything needed for the three dishes. Very simple meal, to be quite honest. Very simple meal. Not real time consuming. This is why I chose the sides that I chose, is because they're easy to do, easy to prep, and so forth to go with the prime rib in the middle of all the filming. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.